Welcome to this short video. My name is Jen Stirrup and we'll be looking at ways to connect Tableau 7 to the Analysis Services Tabular module. This is what we're looking at the moment. You can see I have dimensions. I have a country dimension, a date dimension and a facts table as well. When we look in the facts table, you can see in the properties at the bottom right hand side that the actual data is stored as numbers. These are the European data for financial liability information for all the various countries. So the data we're looking at is actually numbers. So we're going to deploy this model to Analysis Services. We deploy it to the server and the instance. Here it's localhost, the instance is SSAS Tabular. We can see it's in memory. Now we're going to deploy the model. We go to Model, Process and then Process Full. We can see that's been done successfully. Now we're going to double check and make sure that we can see the model in Management Studio. And when we look in Management Studio, we can see that yes, the model is actually there. When we're satisfied that the model is deployed properly, what we will do then is connect to the data using Tableau. We use the Analysis Services connector. We put in the name of the server and the instance. We try to connect first of all, which brings us up the name of the model itself. Now in Tableau, if it's already aware of the connection name, it comes up with an error message, and that's all that is. So we've changed the connection name, and we can click OK, and we can see on the left hand side the dimensions and the facts that are available in our model. The only issue here is that the facts data, which was numbers, has actually come through as strings. So when we drag across the country and the year data, they look fine, but the numbers will not look fine, simply because they are stored as strings. The next episode we will look at ways in which we can actually make sure the data comes through in the correct format. There we are, and that's how it looks in Tableau so far. Thank you very much for listening. My name is Jen Stirrup. Hopefully that's helped you to see how to connect Tableau to an Analysis Services Tabular model for version SQL Server 20.